So I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a charging test on the Realme 6 device, friends, by using the 30-watt charger which came along with the phone. The Realme 6 has a 4300 mAh capacity and the charger is of 30 watts charger, friends. And let's check in this video how much time it actually takes to charge. And here I got the small chart, friends, so where I'll be writing the timings for every 30 minutes and 1 hour, and once it get fully charged. So we'll get to know, friends, how much time it actually takes to charge the phone. And meanwhile, if you're looking for other charging test here, you can just type in the YouTube search results, friends, like this. So Realme X2 charging test Sai Tech Guru. So if you just type the Sai Tech Guru, you can find plenty of videos which I uploaded. So similarly like this, if you want to know about the battery backup of the Realme X2, so just type Realme X2 battery backup Sai Tech Guru, because I did plenty of battery drain videos and lot of display videos as well, friends. So just change the middle display or battery backup or in PUBG gameplay and just type Sai Tech Guru. You can find so many plenty of videos, friends. And let's get started with the test right now. And here's the phone is completely dead, as you can see, friends. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, you can message me in the Instagram. So you can check the links in description, friends, for my Instagram page. So also do follow my page, friends. Every day I'll be posting the samples as well, camera samples. So it is a charger which I will be using in the test, as you can see, friends. And this is the Australian unit. So that's how that is why the adapter is kind of different here. And I'm using the Realme cable, as you can see, friends, Realme cable. Let me connect the adapter and start the stopwatch. So as you can see, friends, right now the phone is completely dead to 0, and let me start the stopwatch here. And the stopwatch has been begun. And again I'll be back, friends, after 30 minutes of continuously charging the phone, and let's check in first 30 minutes how much the battery can actually charge in the Realme 6 device. And definitely, friends, if you want to know Realme X2 or POCO X2 other phones charging test, definitely you can search in the YouTube similar results like this. So again I'll be back, friends, after 30 minutes. So as you can see here, friends, it's been 30 minutes of continuously charging the Realme 6 phone. Let's check the battery percentage. 64%, friends, for the first 30 minutes only. So which is very good thing, friends, with the phone. So far it has been really good for the first 30 minutes. And again I'll be back, friends, again 1 hour. So let's see whether this can complete below 1 hour or not. So by looking at the statistics, maybe it may complete within 1 hour, but let's see, friends. So as you can see, friends, the time it's been 1 hour exactly, and let me check the battery percent how much it is. So 96%, friends, so it's just close to 100%. And let's see the last 4% how much time it takes to charge, because usually the Realme phones are very good at reaching the 85 to 90%, friends. There is no problem, but the extra 10% will take plenty of time, close to 20 minutes of time, friends, even sometimes. So let's check how much time it actually takes to completely fully charge. So finally, friends, about 1 hour and 4 minutes the phone got fully charged 100%. Overall, this is a graph the Realme 6 phone got charged. So within 64 minutes, friends, the phone got completely charged from 0 to 100%, and in first 30 minutes 64% the phone got reached, friends. So this is a very good. In case of any emergency, the phone can at least give you the 50%, more than 50% of battery backup. So that is another advantage, friends, nowadays. And overall, friends, it's very close to 1 hour mark, but still, considering the battery size, so I don't have any other complaints about this one. So that's it, friends. For more videos, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and don't forget to check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of Realme 6. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.